Today I'm going to be doing a haircut on my friend Naima, and then I'm going to show you one of my favorite blow drying techniques in order to get Naima's hair beautiful and nice and full. I've finished cutting Naima's hair, and now before I blow dry, I'm going to add some product. So for product today, I have some oil, which is just gonna really help and add shine to Naima's hair. And then I also have a beautiful spray shine product. So I'm going to section and use a really big, beautiful, nice firm holding clip. And then from Aveda, I'm gonna be using this Nutriplenish multi-use hair oil. So adding a few pumps and then just rubbing it through my hands, and I like to apply just from the edges and then working it through towards the scalp. And then to further just make sure that I'm really getting it through Naima's hair, I'm using this nice wide tooth comb to just comb through the oil. And if I find that anything is getting too dry before I'm applying my product, I can always add a little bit of water. And so my section size, I'm just taking pretty large, probably about the size of my palm, and then just working up the head. And so depending on your hair type, your hair density, the amount of product that you're going to use will really depend on those factors. And then just using my comb, making sure that I'm getting that product evenly distributed. And so if I'm having any trouble separating the hair, I'm just gonna use a little bit of water. This will also help define the curl again. And I like to work side to side. And the reason why I work side to side is I just find that then I can make sure that my product distribution is nice and even. So this is my last section of Naima's hair that I've applied product to. And before I blow dry, once more, I just want to make sure that I've got all of that product going evenly through Naima's hair. So using my wide tooth comb and just keeping everything nice and soft. And it looks like it has a bit of a center part, but what's fun about how I'm going to be blow drying is it really creates a lot of wind. And so what will happen is that Naima's hair is actually going to fill through the top. For this blow drying technique, I like to use a nice lightweight blow dryer. Because Naima has so much hair, it's high density, it does take some time to dry. So as I'm blow drying, if I'm using a tool that's too heavy, I'm gonna fatigue, or for Naima at home, she's gonna fatigue. So this one from Bionic, it's very lightweight. I also don't use a concentrator and I don't use a diffuser. Essentially what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna put this on high heat, and then I'm gonna be blow drying from the bottom, working upward in a circular manner. So my arm is gonna rotate back and forth, and I'm basically gonna walk back and forth around Naima's hair until it's dry. And now that Naima's hair is completely dry, I'm gonna use a little bit of spray on shine from Aveda just to add a tiny little bit more shine just to those curls. And there you have it. You get a really beautiful, nice, full technique, and Naima's hair is beautiful and fluffy, and she's had a perfect little trim as well.